Alright, so.
That'd be funny if you got that from there. Houston? Don't get like all the mess in there, though, man.
This is the intro to this video. Pretty exciting for me because we're gonna be replacing the transfer case motor for the Bronco. So now we'll have four-wheel drive and I won't get stuck. Alright, so we got a new transfer case motor for my Bronco because the old one went out and I want four-wheel drive again. So went and bought one from AutoZone's, like 120 bucks, and today we're gonna be putting it on because I need to fix it. So let me go move a couple cars, pull the Bronco in the driveway, and we'll get to it. Okay, so this is what happens when you try to put the truck in four-wheel drive right now. You shift it into neutral, like you're supposed to do. Come over here, click 4x4. Nothing happens. It is, in fact, sending power to the relay though. So you can hear it down here. But no four-wheel drive switch, so that's what we're trying to fix today because it's also really low on gas. Because that's what I think is wrong with it. So we're gonna go ahead and get into the truck and try to fix that right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into the truck. Got the rock lights working. Hopefully we can see what we're working on here. So this is it. This is what is not allowing the four-wheel drive to turn on, and it's not allowing the truck shift into four-wheel drive. So first things first, you're gonna want to remove this bolt, and there's two more on the top of here. Right there and right there, if you can see. So we're gonna go ahead and start by taking these off. Okay, so after you get the motor unplugged from the car, you're going to want to take out that center, little red center piece in there, and the center pin, and two of these other pins on the outside, the ones that go to the transfer case, go inside, and that's what changes the to go the four-wheel drive. So I'm going to go ahead and take that out, get back to you in a minute. Okay, so once you get that little red piece out, which is right here, you can just kind of push down those little tabs that are in there and pull out the three pins that you need that are connected to the transfer case motor and put them in your new plug. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay, so here's the old motor compared to the new motor. I'm going to go ahead and throw the new one on there, put the new connectors in, and see if it works. Old one right here. New one. They look the same. Old or new connector versus old connector. Should all be pretty simple. Okay, so now that I got all this back together, I'm gonna go ahead and plug it all in, put it back on the truck, and test it out, see if it worked. Alright guys, got the new part on. Everything's looking good to go. Everything's nice and tight on there. Plug's tight. All the mounts are tight. Wires are in. So I'm going to go ahead and get inside the car, start it up, and see if it'll switch into four-wheel drive now. Alright, so I just finished up installing it, and now I'm inside the truck. I'm going to start it up, see if it'll switch on a 4-wheel drive now. So you always have to go into neutral. Truck is in neutral, as you can see. Gonna go ahead and hit that 4-wheel drive button. And it says I'm in four-wheel drive, so I don't know what that means. I think it's working now. Pretty hyped about that. Got this iPhone lighting going. If you like today's video, be sure to like and subscribe. Drop a comment on a video I'd like to see soon. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. We're almost at 1,000 subs, and once we hit 1,000 subs, stuff's gonna start going off pretty good. Better videos, more quality, crazier stuff that you're gonna see in the videos. So yeah, until next time, I'll see you guys later.
Like and subscribe or I'll beat you up.
All right, you heard it first. All right, later.